Today's video I will show you how to make this trending images for free. Open your browser and search Bing AI Images. Click on this one. Then click on Join and Create. If you have a Microsoft account or not, create a new account. Click Next and log in your account. There are many templates you can use. OK, simply type prompt and generate your image. I want to type 3D detailed image. A couple wearing pack flag hoodie on a snow. In the front of car. Press enter to generate your image. Click on the image to preview. Then download the image. For more tutorials, subscribe our channel.